Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Wishing everyone a happy Ramadan Kareem. So today I'm back again with this new package. So a few days ago I have received a mail from MLH and they told me that I will be receiving a special Ellie 2021 season t-shirt. So I got a call from the FedEx post of FedEx delivery service. So the delivery man actually delivered this package to me today. So let's open this up. Oh, a lot of documents again. Actually, I don't need to read them. Just let me open this up. Which side this package actually opens? Let me see. So don't worry, I'm gonna get my knife. It's always with me. So here it is back. Let me tear it off. So ta-da! This is again another new t-shirt from MLH, and let me just see if there is anything inside this package. I think there must be something. Oh, actually there's nothing this time, but actually that's nothing to me, but thanks for the t-shirt MLH. So let's open this up. This time they have the packaging. The packaging is totally complicated. So this is the Ellie Elephant t-shirt from MLH. Yay! MLH 2021 Hackathon series. So thank you MLH for this awesome t-shirt, and if you like this video, please do comment, like and subscribe, and I hope that I'll be back again with another video by this week or by the end of this month. Everyone stay safe, stay tuned, bye.